Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Work sign questions look tricky, but this one folds fast if you track force and displacement directions during the lift, then match the justification cleanly. Work is defined by the force component along the displacement, so the sign comes from direction. Watch this. If force and motion point together, the work is positive. Here, the block moves upward while the student's applied force on the block is also upward. Since those directions match, the student does positive work during the lift. That means the valid statement is the one saying both displacement and the student's average force are upward, which directly gives positive work. Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust the given directions and check which force matches the displacement steps.